from Grandma and Grandpa. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Look at them and say it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That one.
What is it?
I don't know. What is it? Tear it open. That's the fun part.
Oh.
Ooh, man.
What is it?
Monkey game.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed game.
Oh, man.
Oh, wow.
How do you do this?
I don't know. We're going to have to read all these instructions.
Hey, Kelly.